In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the board owner on Trello. Whether you're working collaboratively with a team or managing personal projects, there may come a time when you need to transfer the ownership of a board to another member. It's a straightforward process and I'll guide you through every step to make it as easy as possible. First things first, let's navigate to the Trello board of interest. You can do this by logging into your Trello account and selecting the specific board you want to change ownership of. Once you're on the main page of your chosen board, look for the Share button. This button is usually located near the top of the page, clearly labelled to emphasize its importance in collaboration. Click on the Share button and a menu will appear. This menu provides various sharing options, allowing you to adjust permissions for the board's members. Now, you'll want to focus on the Members drop-down within this menu. It typically lists all individuals who have access to your board and their current level of permissions. Go ahead and click on the member you want to transfer ownership to. Once you've done that, you'll see an option to set their permissions. Your task is to elevate their status to admin. By doing this, you're giving them full control over the board, essentially making them the new owner. It's crucial that the person you're transferring ownership to understands the responsibilities that come with being an admin, as they will now have the authority to manage board settings and member access. However, there is an alternative method to achieve this. If you're looking for another way to transfer ownership, you can head over to Trello's support page specifically designed for board transfer. Navigate to trello.com support transfer boards. This method is particularly useful for transferring multiple boards at once, or if you're looking to facilitate the transfer across different organizations. Once on the support page, you'll need to enter the username or email address of the account you're transferring the boards to. After entering the necessary information, click Continue. The next step is to select the actual boards you wish to transfer by clicking on each one. If you no longer want your account to be associated with these boards, make sure to click the checkbox that removes your account post-transfer. This step is optional but recommended for clarity in ownership. Finally, click the Transfer Boards button to complete the process. This will finalize the transfer, granting the selected member new ownership of the board, and just like that, you've successfully changed the board owner in Trello. Thank you for following along. I hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the process. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on managing your projects efficiently.